Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Europe to Canada. So there are a lot of apps that can send money from Europe to Canada, but I would recommend using Wise. So right here we have our Wise application in our phone, and as you can see we can send money internationally by using Wise. So let's say you're from Europe and you want to send to Canada. Of course, you will have to send from your base fiat currency, which is going to be from Europe. So you're going to be using euros. So here, euros, and then in Canada, they're using Canadian dollars. So here, if you want to send 1,000 euros, they're going to receive 1,046 Canadian dollars. So here, there's going to be an Apple Pay fee and their fee in Wise. So total fees will come down to 1952 euros. So here you can continue and then you can search their Wise number or their bank details. So that is how you send money to Europe to Canada in this simple video. So if this video helps you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.